Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Did you know the old way of creating product videos is already broken? Hiring creators for every shoot, waiting days or weeks for edits, spending thousands just to get one usable video, repeating the whole process again for the next campaign, and still ending up with videos that stop working after a few weeks. Even worse, most sellers now avoid video altogether because it feels slow, expensive, and exhausting. And yet, video is still what sells. So what do? How do you keep using product video without turning it into a production nightmare? The answer is not more tools, it's not learning video editing, and it's definitely not hiring more people. The only way forward is to stop treating video like a project and start treating it like an asset. That's exactly what we built, a way for you to turn any product into reusable selling videos automatically, without filming, without editing, without starting over every time. Introducing Showcase AI, the first system designed to turn one product into multiple high-converting video styles on demand. Now you can finally put product video on autopilot. Here's how it works. Instead of shooting new videos again and again, you let Showcase AI generate polished product videos for you. Demos, ads, UGC-style videos, explainers, showcases, fashion try-on videos, all from the same product. No camera, no editing timeline, no waiting. Just choose the style you want and let the system do the rest. This means you can test more angles without increasing costs. You can keep content fresh without reshoots. You can match the format to the platform instantly. One product, multiple selling styles. And it's all point-and-click simple. No video skills required, no design skills required, no learning curve. Just select, customize, and publish. You can even merge clips, extend videos up to 60 seconds, add captions, music, branding, and schedule posts directly to platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and more. Showcase AI removes the friction that usually kills video marketing. No creators slowing you down, no editing bottlenecks, no production delays. And because everything is reusable, your videos don't expire after one campaign. They keep working. Even better, you can use Showcase AI for your own products or sell video creation as a service. Create videos for clients, charge per video or monthly, deliver faster without increasing workload. The system handles the heavy lifting. And yes, everything you create comes with full commercial usage rights. Showcase AI works for you 24 hours a day, helping you stay consistent, visible, and competitive without adding stress to your workflow. Try Showcase AI completely risk-free. You're covered by a 14-day money-back guarantee. Use it, create videos, test different styles. If it doesn't fit your workflow, just ask and you'll get a full refund. Nothing to download, nothing to install. Everything runs in the cloud. The reality is simple. Video isn't going away, but the old way of creating it already has. If you want a faster, simpler way to keep using video without slowing down, everything you need is inside Showcase AI. Click the button below and start turning your products into selling assets today.